As a busy professional, time management can be a critical skill to master. Whether you are juggling multiple projects, meetings, or deadlines, it's imperative to make the most of the time you have. So, today I'm here to talk about some productivity hacks to help you manage your time effectively. First and foremost is prioritizing your tasks. Identify the most critical tasks that need to be done and focus on those first. Make a to-do list and prioritize your tasks based on their urgency and importance. The challenge, though, is that the to-do lists only sometimes work. We could prioritize our task list and make it outcomes driven. I use the Eisenhower matrix to prioritize my tasks from to-do lists. I've blended the getting things done methodology with this matrix reasonably seamlessly. Use a productivity app. Many apps can help you manage your time more efficiently. For example, apps like Todoist, Trello, and Asana can help you organize your tasks and stay on track. Time tracking software and apps like this on different tasks and projects can work really well. This can give you valuable insights into how you're spending your time and identifying areas of improvement. You should also try to make big tasks more manageable. Break it down into smaller and more manageable parts. It will be easier to deal with and you won't feel overwhelmed. Use a simple to-do list like Things 3, Todoist, or Tick. Well, paper and pen work well too. Give yourself a specific deadline for each task or project. This will help you stay focused and motivated to complete it on time. Minimizing distractions is also very critical. Identify what distracts you the most and work to minimize them. This could be turning off your phone notifications or finding a quiet workplace without interruptions. The next one is taking breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you be more productive in the long run. For example, set a timer for 25 to 30 minutes of work, followed by a 5-minute break. This will help you stay focused while also allowing you to brain to recharge. This method is called Pomodoro Technique and helps you resist those self-interruptions and retrain your brain to focus. Last but not the least, we should all learn to say no. Learning to say no to non-essential tasks or requests is critical to time management. And after that, it's okay to prioritize your workload and needs. Many of us hesitate to say no to others. With mindful tips like these, saying no is an emotionally intelligent skill anyone can master. So finally, by implementing these productivity hacks and focusing on time management, you can become a more efficient and effective professional. Thanks for looking at this video from NextGen Digital. If you liked it, or if you want to leave any comments how you stay productive, feel free to do that. Also, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, NextGen Digital. See you soon.